Hey, in this video we're gonna create the same project twice, but in different approach. The first one we're gonna write the promote by ourselves. Second one we're gonna ask ChatGPT to do the PRD, which is a project requirement document. So let's go ahead and write the project idea. The subscription manager tracks all subscriptions, for example, gym, Spotify, YouTube, etc. And alert before renewal. So give it a moment to generate the code. Here we go back, and so let me close this one. Let's add a new subscription. Netflix, maybe. Okay, $12.99. Yeah, monthly. Remind me 5 days before entertainment. Add subscription. Okay, so let's go here and add Spotify, maybe 19.99. Monthly, yeah, subscription is active. Add another one. Okay, that seems working, but those colors are not the greatest thing. Create this one, gym. Let's see, 25.99. Let's give it another date, maybe 13 or 15 of May. This category could be fitness. Add subscription. Okay, nice. Let's see, entertainment. Filtering is working fine. Others, fitness, beautiful. All categories. Yeah, and also lovely that there's a different colors. Let's see if I add this one, gym 2, save changes. Beautiful. Let's go here and by name, price again. Okay, so filtering and renewal working just fine. So totally this is changing. No upcoming renewal for next 7 days. Beautiful. Let's say give it 8 days. Maybe here. Apple Music. This is go by quarterly maybe. Let's give it 15.99. And this one could be software subscription. Yeah, so now it's been giving us this one, upcoming renewal. See if I delete this one. Yes, beautiful. Okay, so it seems to work. Let's go ahead and create with the PRD. Crop this one in ChatGPT. Write down PRD for the following idea, and let's see. Nice, beautiful. So basically it's giving the product title or app name, not necessary. Propose, problem statement, user have a little visibility of upcoming subscription charge. Goal, all the user to manually add and import categorized subscriptions. Notify user ahead, beautiful. Some core feature, additional or advanced feature, user story, User overflow. I like this one. Okay, technical requirement. This is maybe not relevant at the moment. And then success metrics, assumption, concentrates. Yeah, this is super good. Open a question. So let's crop this one. Go here and maybe I'm gonna create a new one. Gonna paste it here and hit enter. Let's give it a moment until it generates the code. Okay, so it seems has generated the dashboard for us. Let's go through the navigation. Nice display name. Let's give it Rami maybe. USD, it's fine. Notification, beautiful. Email, save. How many days before renewal? Beautiful. Calendar view. Wow, that's excellent. Okay, no subscription has add. So here two buttons. So the first one here and also here. So both of them. Your recommendation. Let's see. Apple Music maybe. Price is also 19.99. Choose this one. Category maybe music. Start date is this. Let's say 1st of April. And it's gonna be end of the next month. Logo URL optional notes. Okay, just enjoy the music. A subscription. Beautiful. I noticed that generate the logo based on the first two letters and also much beautiful color for the borders, more readable. Okay, let's edit it to maybe update subscription. Beautiful. So upcoming, it's gonna be in May 1st. Let's add another one. Maybe Spotify. It's gonna be $16.99 monthly. Maybe streaming. And this one could go by 28th of April. And then it's end by May 28th. Nothing. Just another music. Subscription. Beautiful. Same thing. Let's give it another one like Netflix. We pay 14.99 monthly, and this one, let's give it here March 1st, and this one gonna be in this one. Let's see. So yearly spending estimation gonna be this amount, 26 and 3 active subscription. Is it possible to deactivate one? So let's create subscription that's maybe Netflix to deactive was, let's say, this amount monthly, and this one also streaming. Go February, and that one has been already ended in the same month as subscription. Okay, 3, 4 active. This should be deactivated. Next renewal February. Okay, so it's fine. Let's go to the calendar. Okay, lovely. This one, then we have Spotify, then we have Netflix. Notification, going to provide email, and then this one has been like 14 days. Save setting, go home. You have two of those. Go more back to the setting and change it to Euro maybe. I have noticed that there is no filtering here at the moment, but it's not that big deal. So yes, okay. At least it seems to work. So let's go here and remove this one maybe. Sure. Beautiful. Let's go to the setting and clear all the data and subscription. Let's go to the home. Beautiful. So if you would like to improve this one, I have some additional ideas. So let me grab those one and put it here. So the first one is the recommendation, smart recommendation, your subscription management, reminders, and refund helper. So let me create this one. Okay, so it has been added a new tab, smart recommendations. So let's go here and create subscription, Netflix. Let's give it $15.99 monthly, streaming end of next month, and add subscription. Recommendation available at the moment. Okay, shirt subscription, get refund help. Okay, wonderful. Like for Netflix, Spotify, generate table. You could copy the template here and put all your information. Refund request for incidents. Netflix, the same thing. And Netflix support team. Beautiful. Or you could go press on the contact support. Actually, it's went directly to Netflix. Surprising. How about Spotify? Nice. And that was everything for this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and give us idea in the comment section for the next video. See you next one.